Fellas, I've come again with an exciting news that's gonna earn you some serious rewards along the way. I hope you're ready to dive into something truly exciting today. If you've been looking to get involved with cutting-edge AI technology and want to earn significantly, then you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a project that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the AI space. It's called Rivalz. Guys, this particular project I'm talking about, Rivalz, has just secured a whopping $9 million in funding, catapulting its vision for an AI intel layer into the stratosphere. This game-changing investment marks a major milestone in Rivalz's relentless pursuit of transforming the AI data and decentralized infrastructure landscape. With this injection of capital, Rivalz is poised to shatter the status quo and unlock unprecedented possibilities in AI. The future has never looked brighter. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. Just before I proceed, I need to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure to make your own research before you invest. With that being said, let's proceed. Users will be able to earn Testnet Points, which will directly dictate the Rivalz or Riz airdrop that's set to happen very soon. For this, you just need to run a client on your PC or your laptop, and you will be earning significant points in the near future and be eligible for the Rivalz airdrop. I am particularly very bullish about Rivalz AI. So, here is the official Twitter page of Rivalz AI Network. And guys, in case you don't know, Rivalz is the first AI intel layer aiming to provide large amounts of safe, compliant data to AI companies while protecting users and allowing them to profit from the network. I believe this is set to be one of the most significant projects launching in the upcoming quarter, Q3, as you can see right here. By joining, you'll have the opportunity to earn Testnet Points, which will grant you access to their airdrop. Don't miss out. Join the Testnet now. The node sale kicks off on September 10th, and I'll be hosting a Gold Pass giveaway. Plus, you can use my creator code to snag 10% off and support me when the sale begins. Be sure to jump in before it's too late. Now, let me walk you through the process of setting it up and participating in their incentivized testnet. While it's not exactly traditional node running, it does resemble it in some ways. But yeah, if this piques your interest, stick around because you've definitely got much to gain. The first step is to head over to this page, rivalz.ai/dashboard, and I'll include the link in the description below so you can maximize your earnings by using the referral link from Sheriff Network. Once you're there, start by completing the social tasks. These include following them on Twitter, connecting your Twitter account, joining their Discord server, and getting it verified. Additionally, you can participate in the Galaxy campaign, which you'll find right here. Simply follow them on Twitter. Make sure you have the Discord role, something you should have already done through the other tasks. Visit the Rivalz Intel incentivized testnet and follow them on Galaxy right here. After that, like the tweet, and you can also refer others if you wish. I'll drop a link to this campaign in the description as well, so you can easily get started. Once you've completed the first task, it's time to move on to the next one, which is Chapter 2. Neuron. To help you navigate the quizzes, the answers are conveniently provided in the Gemstone chat group, so make sure to check it out. The best part is that it's completely free of cost, and you can find the link in the description section below. After completing Chapter 2, come back to the mines and download the client. This is an important step, so make sure you don't skip it. Once the download is complete, you'll see a new interface that might look unfamiliar. Don't worry, it's easy to navigate. The first thing you need to do is click on Storage Control. Here, you'll need to allocate some space from your SSD or HDD. The minimum requirement is 50 GB, but I've allocated 75 GB to be on the safe side. Enter the amount you want to allocate and click Apply. Once that's done, you'll see the shared space displayed right here. As you can see, I've allocated 75 GB of SSD space, which should be plenty for now. Now, the next crucial step in this process is to add your wallet. This is a vital part of the setup, and it's essential that you use the same wallet that you previously used on Galaxy. This ensures a seamless integration and avoids any potential issues down the line. Make sure you double-check your wallet address to avoid any mistakes. Once you've added your wallet, the next step is to click the play button. This will start the node, and you'll begin to see the magic happen. But don't get ahead of yourself just yet. There's still one more important step to complete. Take a moment to review your settings to ensure everything is correct. After the node is running, you'll need to click on the Validate Node button. This will take you to a new page where you'll see your client ID, wallet address, and validation status. This is the moment of truth, where you'll know that everything is working as it should. Take a deep breath and celebrate. You're one step closer to earning rewards. Once your node is validated, you'll start earning points and ranking up. It's a great feeling knowing that you're making progress and moving up the ranks. I've already earned 155 client points in just 6 to 7 hours, so I know it's worth the effort. My current rank is 14,000 out of 92,000, which is a great starting point. You can definitely do better. If you've got any question or observation, do not hesitate to drop it in the comments section, and I'll respond to it as fast as I can. See you guys in the next one. Bye.